This week's video is cooking with Peeps. And this week we're making lasagna with a variety of cheeses. First, you're gonna brown the meat in a large skillet on medium-high heat. Meanwhile, mix 1/4 cups of mozzarella, ricotta, 1/4 cup of Parmesan, parsley, and egg until blended. When the meat is browned, you're going to drain the meat and return it to the skillet. This is optional, but we added onions and garlic to the meat. Then you are going to stir in spaghetti sauce. Then add 1 cup of water to empty the sauce jar, and then you're going to pour that into the sauce mixture after mixing it well. Then stir the sauce until well blended. Then spread 1 cup of meat sauce onto the bottom of a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, top with layers of 3 lasagna noodles, 1/3 of the ricotta cheese mixture, and 1 cup of meat sauce. Repeat the layers twice, or however it takes to get rid of all your ingredients. Top with the remaining noodles, meat sauce, and cheeses. Then, cover with foil sprayed with cooking spray. Then you're going to bake it for 1 hour until heated through. Remove the foil after 45 minutes and let it stand for 15 minutes before cutting and serving. Enjoy your meal!
One hour later.
First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, mince your garlic using a heavy knife. Stir together your butter, oil, and finely chopped garlic in a bowl until smooth. Then stir in some parsley. Without cutting completely through the bottom, cut the bread diagonally into 1-inch thick slices with a serrated knife. Then spread garlic butter between slices. Wrap your loaf in foil and bake in the middle of the oven for 15 minutes. Open the foil and bake 5 minutes more if needed. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Dramatic hair flip. Macaroni.